There you go. 4 minutes. Game still has not been started. This is third map that we're waiting on. I'm pathetic. That's what he sent me, Serge. Let's pull that up one more time since second map has ended. Now been 5 minutes. Still won't start. If they don't start in 2 minutes, guys, back out. It's not our problem. Their guy got offline. They can play man down. See if the flat. Nope, that doesn't help. Reporting an issue. However, we'll play later. No, I don't think you're gonna play later because you have 5 minutes. Cancel. Why would I cancel? It is 1-1. Well, there you go. It's been 6 minutes. Way past time. Okay.